Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. It's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Well, it's Sunday. I'm putting up a late video. Got 2 days worth of growth. Need a shave. And anyway, let's get on to the shave, and then it's story time. That's what we're here for, stories. Today's shave soap is by Lothur, and this is Samber. Now, the scent on this is it's an okay scent. You know, it's not, I don't love it and I don't hate it. It's kind of a simple amber scent. It's got some sandalwood in there, patchouli, and other spices. And I don't have the matching splash, so today I'm going to be using the PAA Scentless. I do have it whipped up already in my HC&C stainless steel bowl. And I'm using this beautiful Trotter's Handcraft brush. Go ahead and apply the lather. I feel like I grew a couple inches overnight or something. I feel like I'm in the, maybe I got the camera angled down just a little bit. And Adobe sees somebody in the driveway. I don't know if you heard her barking or not. All right, today's razor is going to be the Hendrix Shaving Prismatic Razor, and I already have that loaded up with the blade. It does have the tabs sticking out, and today's blade is the Gillette Super Thin. I just wanted a nice, easy, quick shave for today, and this razor was screaming my name. It's a very overlooked razor. I'd seen a question on one of the Facebook groups. I think it was I don't know, I only belong to 2 of them, so I think it was the Wet Shaving Society, if I remember it correctly. And someone in there had asked, you know, what's the best PAA razor? And well, if you've been shaving for a while and you've been buying all the stuff, going down that rabbit hole to find your magic razor and blade and soap combo that you enjoy, you'll find out quickly that it's really kind of a subjective thing or preference deal. You know, it's kind of like going to the restaurant and saying, what's your best, you know, item on the menu or your best steak? And you're going to have a lot of different answers. And I think most people in general are going to try to steer you in the right direction of what they think is the best. And honestly, I've come to find out, you know, you're really just going to have to get some stuff and try it. That's what I think is ultimately what it comes down to. And I would say kind of a word of caution that if you find something, remember back in the day, rewind here a second, back in the day when you would go down the toothpaste aisle and there's really like only 3 options. There was like Crest and Colgate and the up close and personal, I don't know. There was like a cinnamon flavored one, and that was about it. You go down the toothpaste aisle now, and I would venture to say there's hundreds of soaps. I mean, not soaps, but toothpaste types and categories and flavors. And they all claim to do and be the best. And I kind of find that with shaving. And so if you find something along your journey, and those veteran shavers can probably vouch for this, but And I'm not even telling the story I was going to tell. That's why I don't rehearse or script things. But anyway, if you're along your journey, if you find a razor and a blade combo that you enjoy, just stop right there and don't try to chase that perfect, because in your mind, you're always going to build up this idea that there's got to be something better. I see this, I read this. And just when you find what makes you happy, just stop and hold on to that and just enjoy it. Fight the temptation. And odds are you will not. You got into this to save money and get a better shave. That's not what's going to happen. So let me tell you what I thought about in the beginning of the video. Late video today because we had a little karaoke party with the kids and stuff last night. I stayed up late and all that good stuff. So I just felt like, even though my dog got me up at dark 30 like she always does, I just didn't feel like doing a shave video early this morning. So I just delayed the shave. And you hardcore viewers will understand, I know. All right, well, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Everybody had a good time karaokeing. It was a blast. I will say that it was very fun, and we kind of did a little Russian roulette karaoke. Sometimes I would just randomly pick a person, or somebody would say, I want to go next, and then I would just pick a random song and try to have them sing it, and even though they had no clue what it was going to be. This one has the favorite restrictor of mine on it. And when I took the picture for the video, I noticed like the bottle was kind of wet on the outside. And I got to looking, and for some reason this one doesn't have that little seal inside the cap. But anyway, that's just one of those deals. Stuff happens. With this being scentless, I can really pick up more of the alcohol scent to it. The alcohol to it. Use a little bit of star jelly here. I'm gonna get another squeeze out of that. The tip had formed up a little booger. What else? I was gonna say something else. It's not really springtime yet, but I feel like I need to get back on the spring den thinning, cleaning. So anyway, I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used today, and I will see you guys on Wednesday's video. You have a great rest of your weekend.